Welcome to our video on mastering SEO, tips and tricks for boosting your website's ranking. Understanding SEO basics. Introduction to SEO. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial. And that's where SEO comes into play. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages (SERPs). By implementing SEO strategies, you can improve your website's visibility and attract organic traffic. Importance of SEO. Did you know that around 93% of all online experiences start with a search engine? It's evident that ranking higher in search results is essential to ensure your website gets noticed. Without a solid SEO strategy, your website might be buried among the competition, resulting in lost opportunities and minimal traffic. Top SEO tips and tricks. Keyword research. Keyword research is the foundation of effective SEO. By identifying and targeting relevant keywords, you can align your website's content with what users are searching for. This will greatly improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. Utilizing keyword research tools and understanding user search intent can take your SEO efforts to the next level. On-page optimization. On-page optimization involves optimizing various elements on your website to make it more search engine friendly. This includes optimizing title tags, meta descriptions, headings, and incorporating keywords strategically. By following on-page optimization best practices, you can ensure search engines understand your content better and improve your website's ranking. Off-page optimization. Off-page optimization refers to activities conducted outside of your website to improve its visibility and credibility. This often involves building high-quality backlinks, social media promotion, online reputation management, and more. Off-page optimization plays a vital role in boosting your website's authority and establishing online trustworthiness. Mobile optimization. With mobile internet usage surpassing desktop, optimizing your website for mobile devices is a must. Mobile optimization ensures that your website looks and performs well on smartphones and tablets. Search engines also consider mobile friendliness as a ranking factor, so it's crucial to provide a seamless mobile browsing experience to your audience. Site performance and user experience. Search engines prioritize websites that offer exceptional user experiences. Optimizing your site's performance, improving loading speeds, and ensuring easy navigation can positively impact your search engine rankings. Additionally, enhancing user experience will keep visitors engaged and encourage them to spend more time on your website. Regular monitoring and analysis. Tracking SEO progress. An essential part of mastering SEO is monitoring and analyzing your progress. Utilize various SEO analytics tools like Google Analytics to track important metrics such as organic traffic, bounce rate, keyword rankings, and more. This data will help you identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions to boost your website's performance. Staying updated with algorithm changes. Search engine algorithms are constantly evolving, and staying informed about the latest updates is crucial. Algorithm changes can significantly impact your website's ranking. Stay updated with industry blogs, search engine announcements, and follow reputable SEO professionals to adapt your strategies accordingly and maintain optimal search visibility. Congratulations! You've completed our video on mastering SEO, tips and tricks for boosting your website's ranking. By implementing the strategies discussed, you're now equipped to enhance your website's visibility, attract organic traffic, and outshine your competition. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process, so stay committed, adapt to changes, and keep refining your approach. Good luck optimizing your website and see you in the next video.